Hello and welcome to the Mettram Service and Maintenance Clinic. Here we talk about the basic maintenance of your Mettram system. With me today is Peter Jones. He has worked as a service engineer with us for many years. Welcome, Pete.
Thank you.
Pete, from your experience, what are challenges for users of IC systems?
I think it's important that you need to have a basic understanding of the moving parts of the IC system. So these moving parts are subject to mechanical stress, and that means that they need to be replaced over time.
Which parts are these?
If you look at the moving parts from the pump head, for example, you have a piston, you have a high pressure seal, you also have a high pressure seal in the injector system, and these parts are subject to wear and tear over time, therefore they need to be replaced. If they fail, they can actually cause quite expensive damage to the system as a whole.
Okay, and how could this damage manifest itself?
One case that sticks out is a large pharmaceutical company that I visited once. They suffered from multiple breakdowns and out of specification results with their instruments over the course of the year. And this had led to multiple service visits, and the failing wearing parts led to this kind of secondary damage in the system and led to higher running costs of the instrument in the end.
Sounds expensive. How could this be avoided?
Very simply, the customer could have exchanged these wearing parts. In this case, we were able to convince the customer to have a service agreement whereby we replace these parts as part of our maintenance schedule.
And did this work out for the customer?
In this case, the customer had 2 preventative maintenance visits per year, and that helped the customer to reduce the number of breakdowns and the number of out-of-specification results quite significantly. In fact, they now have all their instruments covered by this custom service agreement.
Okay, thank you, Pete, for this example. I think it shows really well that you need to do a regular maintenance for your systems.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Now you know how a Mettram service agreement can help you. Don't forget to watch our next episode.